Hello, this is Professor Kim Nelson with Jewelry Design Department at FIT, continuing our videos for the Eternity Band Ring project. Going to do the same thing to the side that we did for the top, and that is to quickly draw in our circles or ellipses. So, ellipse diameter, that was ellipse center. Got to make sure you get the right tool. Mid. And you will notice, or you should be noticing, that these become more elliptical as they go. Now notice that this is really important. Okay, pause. If you look, this should be more elliptical than this one, and it's not, which means there's a drawing error. It's very easy to trace back that drawing error and see where it is. I missed a construction line. Offset through point. There's that girdle. That girdle. Sorry, need to have end snap. Girdle, end, table, girdle, girdle. See, I did not get the spacing there between the two stones. I can trim that off and come back in and ellipse diameter. Unfortunately, I'm going to need to draw a new box all the way around. Otherwise, I won't have midpoints where I need them. So, easy. There, and then I can delete those. And now it'll be simple to draw. And now the proper relationship is returned. See, it's important to watch where I'm clicking because I could have mistaken there. Slow is careful and careful is fast, as they say in the industry. There we go. So there's the girdle and the very last table. Okay. Now we want that last stone, so I'm going to put it on the white layer. And there we have our stones. Now this I'm going to explode, and I'll use, sorry, not explode, ungroup. And I will use the girdle to trim off the pavilion. This I will also ungroup, and I will explode this polycurve. Hold down the Control key and left click to remove that line and join it back together. And then I will delete that line. Okay, the final thing we need to do for the actual drawing of this is to get these diagonal lines that form the walls or the sides of our crowns. To do that, we're going to go Line Tool, and we're going to go Tangent Option. We're going to go Two Curves. It's going to ask for the first curve near the tangent point. So I'll come to this stone, click somewhere in here where I think that line will attach, and click the second curve. And Rhino has given me the line I need. So tangent or T enter, and then two curves or C enter. And repeating the command, T enter, C enter. repeating the command T enter, C enter, repeating the command T enter, C enter. Oh, I picked the wrong point. Try again. There. Trim these up. Select those two curves, trim out the girdle. Select these two curves, trim out the girdle. Select these two curves, trim out the girdle. Select this table, trim out that girdle. Select these two planes and trim out that sidewall. And we've drawn the stones in the top. Going to repeat the process here for the side. Line command, T enter for tangent, C enter for curves. And then clean this up. Trim. Trim. Trim again. And done. Get this one. Trim out the girdle. There we go. So now all I need to do is mirror the information. I don't want to pick up anything that's not these stones, so I'm going to check very carefully. On the side view, I'm going to mirror them all because the midline is right here. F2, I'll pick intersect snap to grab this junction and bring them down. I'll use these to this outline to trim away that flat line. And the side view is complete. Top view. I don't grab the center stone because it's not going to be mirrored, but everything to the right of that I will grab. Mirror, F2, and then 0. Grab these two planes to trim out that flat. And in fact, down here, we don't even want to trim this out. We're just going to remove these lines. So grab these two, explode, Control, left click to take those two out, join to put the rest back together, and then delete those two. And that is our completed drawing. Turn off the center lines, turn off the miter line. It's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.